Have you ever wanted to make sure that your bill of materials had all of the related custom properties established before releasing a product to production? In this case, we have some purchased items inside this motor. Take a look at this bill of materials. You can see that we have some parts categorized as commercial off the shelf items instead of just the normal part. And if they're a commercial off the shelf item, I require that there is a part number established for the supplier itself. We take a look at our drawing here and create a release package for our drawing package. We will notice Onshape does indeed check this for us upon release, so we don't accidentally release something without this information. It will show in red, and we can go into each of the items in the release candidate where it will highlight for us in red what needs to be filled out as a required property. In this case, the supplier SKU. I'll also add a supplier while I'm here. So how do we go about setting up Onshape to handle this? Well, in our administration tool, under custom properties, you would want to make sure that the required property is set. I'm searching for the SKU property, which is a completely custom property in my system, and I've made sure to make it required and that it should be edited in versions or workspaces. I've also set it to work on commercial off-the-shelf parts. You can even set it so that there's a validation with patterns and minimum length. If we go back to the release candidate, we can even filter our list to show which items need attention. In this case, we have 3 items in our release form that require that SKU number. So I'm just going to go ahead, throw them all in. And once the form has been satisfied, the release button will turn green, and we can create a release package showing the BOM with our supplier SKU number.